You've been asking to see what is inside the 63 done for you digital products bundle. So I'm going to take you through exactly what you're going to receive once you get to buy this product, which includes small business bundle, productivity bundle, pet niche bundle, Airbnb hosting bundle, manifestation, kids bundle, wedding bundle, and it also has guides on how to sell digital products, mastering Etsy and Pinterest, and also mastering Facebook ads. And here is the best part. I will let you access free courses that includes Canva guide, that is a full tutorial on Canva, graphic design course, faceless marketing, ChatGPT monetization, FB ads, and TikTok marketing. And that's not all. Inside, you will find more courses that you can choose to keep or even resell them. But the most important thing is that you should be able to consume them and learn how to run this business using the content that is available. Now, once you sign up, this is where you'll be able to access everything. So on your left, you'll have the bundles and the courses listed. So once you click on them, on your right, they will pop up and you're able to just click on it. It will take you to Canva. So all you need is a free Canva account for you to be able to rebrand the products to yourself. You can put your name or your logo and then create a link that you can be able to share easily and resell. Let's look at another product. So if the link is not active, just copy and paste to the URL. This is also a Canva product that you can learn from on how to resell these products and also be able to resell it. Here are some of the courses that you'll be able to access at no cost. For example, this is a TikTok training that you'll be able to access via Google Drive. These are video courses that you can resell or just keep them and implement everything that you learn to resell these courses or to run your existing business. The Canva course will teach you everything you need to learn on how to use Canva, how to create graphics for your business, and also how to create ebooks for kids that you can sell. Once you join our community, you have lifetime access to all the bundles and any other course that I'm going to be adding inside the portal. To begin reselling, you need a free Canva account and a site that will help you sell like Stanstore, System.io, or Payhip that I'm using currently.